Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and it is time for another plan with me. We're doing February 23rd through March 1st, and I wanted to start out with this beautiful book. I loved that purple, so I know that there is some purple in here. Beautiful. And I wanted to use some of these. So I know that, and then I also went and grabbed some other books that could have some purples in it as well. So let's go ahead and we're going to get started. I think I'm going to look in here first and foremost because I know there are some purples in here. Here's a lovely habit tracker. I was going to call it a Traeger habit. So we will put that. I'm going to put this right here. I'm going to cover up those notes. And this one's a nice, pretty pink one, but I don't want it to be that big. However, I will take one of these and we'll stick that. I'm going to stick it right here. We're going to kind of just ignore what's going on as far as staying in the lines today. I think I'm also going to take this one here and do a vision. And we'll put that right here. Beginning of the week, so you can start your week out with a nice vision. Got some of those little things to buy. I don't have anything like that. Let's see. She has fire in her soul, and then this one says intentional. I don't think it's big enough, or it's small enough, so I'm going to skip over that. And we're just looking through some boxes here. Got plenty of purple. Another large one. Plan a happy life. Time to shine. We've got today's goals. So we'll put some goals right over here. I'm going to put it all the way to the end. And apparently a little bit over. That's all right. Top 3 today. This is one I've used in the past and cut it down because it was so long. I'm going to use that one again, and I think I'm going to put that one right here. All right, so I went through that one. We'll flip through this one real quick. There we go. Look at those nice, pretty purples. Let me put this one. Time to get it done. You know me, I love the lists. I love appointments. And it just works for me. So I think we're going to put this one right down here. We're going to look for some more nice purple. These are kind of big. These are for the bigs, I think. Memories noted. Love this. Be true. Be you, be kind. That's a fun one. Just chill. How about that one? That'll be a fun one. I'm going to put that right down here. And then I'm going to take this nice bright purple one as well. That says joy begins with gratitude. And we are really pumping up the different purples. And I am happy with it. That was my goal. Alright, I think I'm pretty good with those type of stickers. Yeah, we're going to move on. I'm going to quickly look through here. I don't know that I have any... that I need to have in here. Let's see. I was going to put one of those in there, but I think I'm not. I think I'm going to go right here and put one of these little guys. And we'll mark this right under our vision. And there we've got some nice purples. Let's look real quick in here. Less is more. Too late. Ride the wave, you got this. Okay, that one looks nice. Wake up and be happy. And that's it for there. I've already passed the less is more phase. And we're going to go back here. Got no travel plans. I will take one of these cute little purple guys here. I'm going to stick that right in here. That'll be fun. No purple planner. I wish there was. That would be good. How cute are those? Let's see. Happy plans. We'll put that one. Well, do I want the words or do I want the actual little round guy? Oh, look, I've tried to take this one off before. There we go. Didn't want to do it. So I always put it when we're doing planning, which is right here. I'll put it right here. This one says I'd rather be. This one says living for the weekend. I don't need that one. Actually, that would be fun. I do have the space. And my weekend starts on Friday. And then I know I get to see my grandbabies. And let's see what else we have here. Lunch date, movie night, date night, water. We've got some little hearts. Housework, yep, we'll go past that. Laundry, I don't want this color purple, really. Yeah, I don't want to do that. Let's see. Here's a fun purple. Because you know we gotta love our coffee. And that's about it. I think we're good. Now we get to play with these guys, which is what I wanted. Let's go here. Here we go. This is some of what I wanted. Oh, here we go. Look at this. so pretty. I think we'll take this guy here. I'm going to put it in this corner. And they are somewhat see-through, so it'll be okay if it says, you know, the dates or whatnot. Just gonna, for some, oh, there we go. I was gonna say, for some reason it's not. Yeah, so we could still see the 26 there. And the more I push it down, the more you could see what's going on there. So you can still see that it's Thursday and the 26th. And I love that. And then I wanted to put something nice here. That's more in the blues. This one's really pretty. This one's also really pretty. Let's go with this nice big one. It's huge. And it's going to end up covering this tracker. So I'm going to pull this one up a little bit first for the time being. I'm just going to pull that as far as I can. Still want that habit tracker, but I'm going to pull it over a little further. Now I don't want to cover that up. I'm going to put it down here. There we go. And then I think I'm going to use some of this little beautiful butterfly. There we go. Do we want to put it there? I think we're going to put it right here. So pretty. I'm just looking to see. Oh, here we go. Look at this beautiful little guy. Ooh, or this one with the macarons. Probably should have started with the bigger stickers first, but I need to make sure that I have space to plan, because that is what I do use it for. So I'm going to put this one move this over just a bit more. There we go. And now I can put this here. And then we'll add another little butterfly on here. And I want to leave some room for places that I will have planning. All right, I think this will be the last sticker that we put on. I'm going to put this right here. All right, so there we go. That is my week. I will get my pen, and I will probably use this Highland Heather pen. So I hope you like it. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more Plan With Me, more cards, more DIYs, just coming soon. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.